Here we are going to discuss that if A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, is it necessarily true that B is equal to C? We have to prove this, yet true or false, right? Okay. Suppose we have a set A. I will make it very simple. In A, I will make it 1, 2, and 3. And in B, I will make it, suppose, 2, 4, and 6. And in C, I will make 2, 8, and 9. Right? Suppose these are 3 sets. And the question is A intersection B. First, we will make A intersection B. Intersection means common, which is present between A and B. So see, 2 is present. 2 is in A, 2 is also here in B. So A intersection B is 2. Now we will see what is A intersection C. So see A intersection C. Now we will compare A and C. And again we notice that 2 is in A and 2 is also in C. So common is 2. A intersection C is equal to 2. And the question is A intersection B equal to A intersection C if, so see, A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. We have proved the first part. But the question is it necessarily true that B should be equal to C? So see, B is equal to 2, 4 and 6. C is 2, 8 and 9. So it is false. It is not true that if the intersection of both are same, so the both set should be same. No, only 2 is common. All the other elements are different. So if A, we can say that if A intersection B is equal to A intersection B, is it not necessarily true? It is false that B is, maybe it is same, but it is false. Right? So it is not necessarily true that B should be equal to C. We have proved this. And thanks for watching.